Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by holding the Adjust button for 3 seconds until the seconds start blinking. That blinking indicates you are in timekeeping setup mode now. Press the Mode button once to move to the hour field. Press Mode again to move to minutes, month, day, and year in sequence. When any value blinks, you can change it. Use the forward and reverse buttons to increment or decrement the blinking value as needed. Select the hour field by pressing Mode until the hour digits blink on screen. Use the forward button to advance the hour by 1 with each press. Hold forward to fast advance when you need larger jumps. After hours set, press Mode to make minutes blink and use forward or reverse to adjust minutes precisely. To toggle between 12-hour and 24-hour displays, press forward while the hour field blinks. Confirm minutes and proceed to set month and day afterward. When every field shows correct values, press the Adjust button to save and exit the setting mode immediately. If you need to reset seconds to 00, return to the seconds field and press Adjust once. After saving, verify the watch shows the correct home city and DST status for accurate local time. Reopen the settings if you notice wrong year, month, or day and correct them. Your baby G time is now set and ready for everyday use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.